Welcome to Modscape and Modbotics. Modbotics uses advanced manufacturing to create all the components we need to make a building. Our team will take you through the 12 different key stages from start to finish of our robotics line.
Hi, I'm Will. For every project we create a 3D model that's a digital twin that contains every component that we send to manufacture.
Hi, I'm Mark. The digital files are then transferred from the office to the robotic lines.
Hi, my name's Henry. This is where we process all the timber. We cut 1,000 pieces a day.
Hi, my name is Matt. This is a sub-assembly area. This is where we create door openings and window openings. And from here, we send it through to the framing station.
Hi, I'm Alex, and this is where we put the timber in the framing machine.
My name's Ben. This is our robot cell. We have 3 robots. The first robot picks up the sheets and places it onto the wall and ceiling cassettes.
Hi, I'm Craig. The other 2 robots staple, screw, nail cut and remove scratch.
Hi, my name's Harley. This is where we install the windows and flip the walls.
Hi, this is Adele, and this is where we store all the electrical wiring and plumbing into the panels.
Hi, I'm Hannah, and this is where we put insulation into the panels.
Hi, I'm Wade. This is where we install the socket on the panel to make it airtight and waterproof.
Hi, I'm Rex. The final stage is to put the completed panels into stillages, ready for delivery and assembly.